Okay, here we're doing some trenching, and anytime you have a trench that is more than 4 feet deep, you need to consider the shoring that you're going to put in place. Now this one here, this is called a trench box or a trench shield. This one's made out of metal. It can be made out of wood or it can be made out of metal, either one. But this protects the employees that'll be working down below here. So we got a ladder in here for access so they can get down and put their pipes in. This way it protects the employees so there's no cave-in, they can't get buried up in the dirt. If you do have a cave-in and you don't have this, it can be as little as 4 or 5 feet. If you fall down, every time you exhale, the dirt starts crushing you more, and you can be suffocated and die from cave-in. So it's very important to make sure that you have this safety gear that you have in place with the trench shield or trench box or some type of shoring to support the sides of the wall so they don't cave in.
So ako kapag ya install yung tio on bala, me pufesa yo ganyen su plan yo yung wote kote yo vle tio sa. So pun kapag mete la ganyen yung go bako latbo kap fouiller yung canal fond et après ça mais li pa gen aucune sécurité parce que le ou passe 4 pieds ou besoin protéger moyo pour ne pas capable tomber sous moun. So si ou pas gagné, Jean Dante expliqué, si terre tombe sous corps et ou souffler ou respirer et est capable casser corps parce que terre l'eau en pile elle tombe sous corps. Encore, l'important pour protéger le monde en bas.
Okay, so here we have some more trenching that's going on. They've already got the pipes in place here, so the trench box has been removed. You also want to notice that off to the side, you got the spoils from where they've dug out the trenching, and to keep the spoils away from the side so the spoils can't fall in and cover up. And then on the outside here, you want to set up barricade tape and barricades to make sure that employees can't walk in or back in and fall into the trenching if they don't see that it's there. Okay, so when we look over here at the area where they've been pouring the concrete, you want to make sure that you're protecting the area you're in from people walking into that area, maybe not seeing it. So you want to set up barricade tape and around the whole perimeter of the area where the holes are so nobody walks in there and stumbles and falls into the pit. We have the same thing going on over here in this area here. We got it all barricaded off here. Keeps people from going into the area that doesn't belong in there. You can put markings on there, caution or danger. So caution tape would be one that you just look at the area before you enter. Danger tape would be one that you would not want to just walk into. You want to check and see if there is a sign of ownership for the barricade tape, and usually you'll put the foreman's name and a phone number on it so they can get permission to go and work into that area.